In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a password on Google Chrome. To help protect your online accounts, it's essential to use a password manager. And lucky for us, Google Chrome has one built right into the browser. Let's walk through the process together. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. When you're looking at the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see three vertical dots, which we'll refer to as the menu icon. Click on this menu icon and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, you're going to navigate towards the bottom where you'll find an option called Settings. Click on it and a new tab will open, revealing the Chrome settings page. On this settings page, look at the left-hand side. You will see a list of options and one of these is labeled Autofill and Passwords. Click on this option and it will take you to the section where you can manage your passwords and autofill settings. Now that you're in the right place, look for Google Password Manager. Clicking it opens up a new interface specifically for managing your passwords. Google Password Manager offers a secure environment to store all your account credentials for different sites, and Chrome can automatically input these for you when needed, helping streamline your browsing experience. Next, you'll want to add a new password entry. You'll see a button labeled Add or Add Password. Go ahead and click it. This action opens a form where you'll need to enter some specific information. First, it will prompt you for the URL of the website whose password you want to save. Type in the complete web address to ensure your password syncs correctly. Once the URL is entered, the next fields are for your username and password. Carefully input the username you use for this particular site. Right below that, you'll enter your corresponding password. It's important to double-check the accuracy here to avoid any login issues later on. Remember, using a strong password, one that's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, is crucial to maintaining your account security. After you've filled in all the required details, the final step is to save your entry. Look for a Save button, usually found at the bottom of the form, and click it. This action securely stores your credentials in the Google Password Manager, ready for use the next time you visit that site. Congratulations! You've successfully added a password to Google Chrome, making your browsing experience more convenient and secure. With your passwords safely managed by Google Chrome's built-in tool, you can effortlessly log in to your favorite sites with just a click. Keep adding more passwords using these steps and enjoy the enhanced security they provide. Thank you for watching and happy browsing!